What if your passion could become a global platform, earning money for you even while you sleep? Picture this. You wake up to discover that thousands of people worldwide have engaged with your content, turning your knowledge into income. Sound intriguing? Stick around, because in this episode, we're unlocking the secrets of content creation through YouTube and podcasting for passive income. Welcome back to our Income Generation Strategies series. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of content creation through YouTube and podcasting. In this digital age, your voice and ideas can become powerful tools for building wealth. But here's the kicker. One content creator started sharing financial advice on YouTube and now earns millions annually. Curious how? Stay tuned to find out. Here's how it works. On YouTube, you upload videos and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Podcasting operates similarly, with income from sponsorships, affiliate links, and even premium content. Income can vary widely. Successful YouTubers can earn thousands or even millions per year. For example, Graham Stephan and Andre Geek, who both started their channels sharing financial advice, now earn millions annually through their channels and related products. Podcasters with large audiences can also earn substantial amounts. Popular podcasts can bring in 6- or 7-figure incomes annually through sponsorships and related products. Of course, this journey isn't without its challenges. Growing an audience takes time and consistency, and creating high-quality content requires dedication. Plus, staying ahead of ever-changing algorithms can be tricky. For example, YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year to join their partner program. To succeed in YouTube or podcasting, there are several key strategies to keep in mind. First, focus on a specific niche to build a dedicated audience. Consistently create valuable content, aiming for both quality and regularity in your posting schedule. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and incorporating feedback. Optimize your content by using relevant titles, descriptions to improve discoverability. Remember to be patient, as growth often takes time. Focus on improving your content rather than obsessing over numbers. Finally, diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on ad revenue. Explore sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and creating your own products to maximize your earning potential. Let's evaluate using our side hustle matrix. Difficulty to start, 2 out of 5. Low initial investment, but requires time and effort. Difficulty to make $100 each month, 3 out of 5. Takes time to build an audience. Difficulty to maintain, 4 out of 5. Requires consistent content creation and audience engagement. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how soon can I start seeing results? While building a large audience can take time, many creators start earning within just a few months. But what if I told you there's a way to speed up this process and boost your income potential? Content creation through YouTube and podcasting offers an exciting opportunity to turn your knowledge and passion into a sustainable income stream. While it requires effort and patience, the potential rewards, both financial and personal, can be significant. Here's the game-changing tip you've been waiting for: cross-pollinate your content. If you're creating videos, why not start a podcast that complements them? And if you're podcasting, consider bringing that content to YouTube. This strategy can help you expand your reach and create multiple income streams from the same content. In our next episode, we'll explore more exciting income generation strategies, including online courses and digital products. Until then, keep creating and stay on the path to financial freedom.